Hello, online family. This is my first time actually going live, and I love it. This is awesome. This is marvelous. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Finally, I'm doing it. But anyway, I just want to ask you this. Have you given up on taking control of your taxes? Are you on the search of finding how to lower your taxes? Like, you feel like you're hitting your head to the wall when it comes to how do you save taxes? Welcome to this online live video, because I am going to invite you to a just casual chat that I call, and I'm going to show you. There. It is called Tax Q&A and Tea Fiesta. I understand that it might not look, I have to turn it, but this is Tax Q&A and Tea Fiesta. I'm going to actually have it April the 29th at 1:30, and this is your chance to bring your tax questions. You know, I'm not doing consultations anymore, but this is your chance. This is going to be very, very valuable. My friends, my wonderful friends, business owners, this is going to be really valuable. I've been in the financial world for over 30 years. I represented small and multi-millionaire businesses up to 8 figures on in-person IRS audits. And I gotta tell you, I learned more from pain or through pain than in my CPE classes that I have to take to maintain my registration with the IRS as an enrolled agent. You know, we learn so much more through experience. And I used to think, why in the world I'm getting so many audits? Like, this is crazy. But looking back, I am really grateful, because that gave me so much experiential knowledge, so that I can actually truly help people, like I was showing you here, not at the leaves level, but at the root level. So I am inviting you to hop in. It's a casual live chat for you to bring your tax questions. So I'm going to show you really quick what is the tax code. And you know what? I made it, gosh, after all these years, I made it to where even a child can understand it. Look at this. That is the tax code. You know, this right here, it's like, this is pure gold. This is firecrackers. If you understand this is like finding the ancient old entrance into the Chronicles of Taxes, where you will find quantum simplification and fast. When you understand this, it's like a dominoes effect. It's like all of a sudden you come to this wonderful realization, like, oh my God, the whole time, like the whole time it works like that? Yes. Of course, it did take me, gosh, so many years. I started in the banks since 1994. I opened my tax practice in 2008, and it And I went fully into that. After doing all kinds of audits, I actually went back to the tax jungle because I wanted to understand the tax code my way. Like, I really wanted to peel all the layers to really see how it is, right? And that was since 2018. I went full force on. So it took a lot of years. But you don't have to go through all those years. You can just learn it. So let's continue the conversation because this is powerful. And I'm really, really excited to share it with you. But bring your questions because I want to know where you guys are. I want to see what level you guys are because I don't want to go too high, not too low either. I want to be able to truly, truly help you, to truly, truly serve you, because I've seen, gosh, so much pain. I've seen businesses close. I've seen a marriage fall apart. I've seen partnerships break because of IRS audits. It is a very, very important thing for your business to pay attention to something that I know you don't want to pay attention to. I know that. It's like going to the dentist to pull a teeth. You push it away. You don't want to deal with that. I know that. But when an audit comes, I don't want you to be running around like a chicken without a head either. I don't want you to dump it all on your accountant and expect for your accountant to do the whole thing without your input. Because you are the number one in control. You're the king of this tax jungle. You know why? Because you're the one that would be paying the penalty, that would be paying the extra taxes. If you have a overall simple understanding, now you can work with your accountant. I hope you never get audited, never. But this is the other reason why you need to understand the root of the money tree. And it is so that you are the one in control to lower your taxes. Nobody else is gonna care to lower your taxes more than you. Nobody. And you do not want to wait and put it off and off and off and continue to pay extra and extra because the statistics say that business owners overpay taxes even if they have hired a very expensive CPA. The minimum is $2,000, but overall, it's billions. And the other part is that the statistics also show that a lot of tax returns are not being done correctly. So the IRS has a huge field to do audits. I want you to feel in peace. I want you to feel good. I want you to know right there in the deepest part of your soul that you're doing things correctly. Because when you know, you have peace inside of you. You're not living in fear. You're not living in stress with this anxiety, with this thing that is bothering you, that is there. You know what I mean? And I know because one of my clients was taken to the hospital because of that. Too much stress, tax anxiety, tax frustration, tax pain, Actually, she had to be taken to the hospital because she couldn't find a way to understand what the accountant was doing. She wanted to have some sort of overall understanding, and she couldn't. It was a back and forth. And when you have a lot of a business that it's up there, you know, in the millions, you know that you are right there at a higher target for being audited. And so that worry is there, you know, and that gets people sick. I don't want you to get sick because of something that you can take care at a quantum speed and simplicity. I've already done the years. Make sure you come. And then after that, I'm going to have a master class. Make sure you tune into that. It's going to be very important. It's going to be life-changing, life-transforming, not just for you, for your kids. Think about it. If you enter through these, if you uncover this ancient, old entrance to the Chronicles of Taxes, where you see, like the whole time it was like that, you want your kids to know. And now your kids can understand it, because tax updates change all the time, right? But we can get that for free. The tax code is not being taught out there. We talk a lot about tax strategies, which is very important also. But we need to talk more about the tax code. And that's what I'm talking about. And I'm really grateful to God for helping me see this. That everybody is watering the leaves of the tree, but they're not watering the roots of the tree, which will extend, which will help this money tree stand long term. So, all right, so I hope to see you. It's Tuesday at 1:30. I hope to see you there. I'm gonna leave the link. It's a Zoom link. Let's get together in Zoom. It's easier. And bring your questions and let's chat in a relaxed, casual way, because it's fun. Life is about having fun, right? Yeah. All right. I love you guys. God bless you. Mwah. Big hugs for everyone. Take care.